Hi lovies, welcome. Well, today we are going to look at how to prepare Posho, or you can call it Ugali, which we are going to accompany with our lovely salads, tomato and onion salads, together with avocado. So healthy, guys. You must try this recipe out. It is simple, healthy and very tasty. Enjoy, guys. Well, these are the things that we are going to need, guys. As you can see, we are going to make salad of onion and tomato together with avocado. So this is the flour that we are going to need, maize flour. I'm going to measure 1 glass, and we shall need boiled water. It is already boiling, guys. So we start by cutting up our tomatoes and onions. Well, for me, I have decided to cut small pieces, as you can see, because they are better off in that size. You will enjoy more when they are a bit smaller, and they look beautiful, guys. Then we can now cut our avocado. Cut whatever shape you want, guys, whatever pleases you. Guys, as our water boils for mingling our ugali, we prepare ourselves, we get ready. It's boiling, guys. It's boiling. Light up our gas. Get your beautiful saucepan. The water is ready, guys. So right about now, make sure it has properly boiled. Pour into the saucepan. Pour some little amount. Please don't put much, depending on what quantity of ugali you are going to prepare. Well, it is boiling. Now I bring my glass of the ugali. There you are. It is properly boiling. Make sure you are on high heat. The fire is at maximum. Make sure your heat is at maximum. Now I believe it has boiled properly. We can pour in the ugali and start mingling. Guys, you start mingling. As you add hot water little by little. Little by little. Put in some energy if you want it to come out very well. You make sure you mingle until it makes one duff, and when it is going off the mingling stick, that's when you will know your food is ready. You see, you keep adding water little by little, guys. Don't put a lot of water until it makes something like this. It is properly turning like that and clearly going off our mingling stick. We get our beautiful plate. You see, it can easily stand up off the saucepan. It is now ready. You get your beautiful plate and put off our posho like that, guys. So you can open. Wow. Put what is enough. Remember, you are family. Leave for others. Enough for me. And then place your tomatoes on the other side. Time to feast, guys. Amazing, amazing. Well, beauties and cuties, please endeavor to raise, like, subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you, guys. You have been lovely. Bye bye.